As a music teacher, we encounter different opinions on a daily basis. So as a piano learner, do you think it is important to take piano examination? Let me tell you a story. One of my student parents wanted to stop him from learning piano because he doesn't want to take exam and does not like to play classical pieces. His parents felt that it's a waste of money to continue learning. We spent almost 30 minutes discussing about the child's interest after every lesson. Her son enjoys playing piano for fun and is passionate in learning. But he doesn't feel like taking any music examination and want to learn without the pressure of exam. He has been learning piano for almost a year. So in my country, Singapore, most of the parents want to send their children to ABRSM grade 1 exam after a year of learning, wanting them to complete the grade 8 exam. When he told his mother that he did not want to take the piano examination, his mother was so angry and told me that she doesn't want her son to continue learning piano because she thinks that it's a waste of time and money learning piano if there is no certificate given. So he kind of forced the child to go for the piano exam. As a piano teacher, it is so sad to see this scenario happen in a student who is so passionate about playing piano. Learning a musical instrument is like learning a new language, a language that you use to express and communicate with others and yourself. It's like you're a native English speaker learning to speak Japanese. Why do you choose to learn another language? For example, Japanese. Your main intention of learning Japanese language isn't to take the exam, right? You study the language because you love the language and want to communicate in Japanese to native Japanese speaker one day. Imagine you are passionate in cooking, but someone makes it compulsory for you to take a cooking examination. Will you still enjoy cooking as much as before? All in all, exams can be an enriching part of your piano journey, but they are in no way a necessity. When used correctly, they can offer an irritating challenge. If used incorrectly, they are often the main reason students quit piano lessons. Over 10 years working as piano teacher has taught me about the passion of learning an instrument. Piano exams are only part of your piano learning journey, but it is not the most important thing that you should focus on. So, is piano examination that important? Tell me your thoughts about whether you should learn piano for examination and certificate or learn piano for interest and passion. Bye bye.